Hey everyone, my name is Sydney Graff and this is my AEP 859 introduction video. Some interesting things about me is I'm a mom. I have two amazing children, a son and a daughter. My son will be starting kindergarten next year. My daughter's almost 2. I've been married for about 6 years now. And we like to do everything together as a family. Our weekends are spent with either just our family here at home or going to see my family or my husband's side of the family. And we love to be outside and to go camping, be at the lake. We have a boat, so we spend a lot of our time there. Um, my professional life, I started my life as a teacher in a life skills or like a multiple disabilities classroom where I did grades pre-K through second grade, and that was a very, very rewarding job for me. Now I am in instructional strategies, also known as an interrelated teacher, and I've been doing this for 4 years now, and I teach grades kindergarten, first, and second grade. Um, I am a supervisor to paras. I mentor new teachers as well as train new staff coming into our cooperative. And I am on multiple committees, both for our cooperative as well as the district that I'm placed and working in. A short-term goals for me. Next school year, I hope to obtain a new position, whether that be as an instructional or behavioral coach, or just taking on a new teaching role, maybe in a different building, something new and different to just challenge myself professionally. And of course, I'm working towards finishing my master's, as most of all of us in this course are. Long-term goals, I would love to become a trainer. Um, Whether that be in something like the method that our cooperative uses is called Orton Gillingham. I would love to become a trainer in something like that, be able to give, presentations to larger crowds of people for something that would be of high interest to them. And I do have a strong interest in behaviors, so to maybe further study behaviors and maybe do some research on things like that and really focus parts of my life in that. Things that I hope to learn from this course are I would love to have good skills for differentiating between what it's like to evaluate individuals professionally and making sure that you don't get into that clutch or that niche of, comparing other professionals to one another and really focusing on an individual and how to evaluate them, as well as how to filter out the fluff in a curriculum. My district is currently going through a new adoption, and I have gone to different presentations on how to do those things. And man, some of those people are really good salesmen. So, knowing what specifically to focus in on and figuring out what's going to be best to make the students in your district reach their fullest academic potential and achieve growth, and just filtering out all those other things. So I really look forward to learning from this course as well as learning from all of you. So I guess we'll be chatting soon. Thanks.